Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and on a non-normal usual video day. I just wanted to come on and share my 1 million Achiever stamp set for one last time, and also really just to say thank you to everybody for lots of different things. Thank you for everybody who shopped with me to get me to the point of achieving 1 million in personal sales, and actually just this past week I've achieved 1.3 million since I achieved this. Achieved my first million in January 2020. I've just hit 1.3 million, and yeah, so as part of the perk of that you get to help design a stamp set, and this is mine, and it launched in January of this year, and it's in a mini catalogue only, so it's only around for 6 months. No, it's nothing to do with sales or anything like that. It's just a case of where there's space, and there's so many achievers now. It's just incredible. So I achieved in January 2020, and the last time I looked, and I was number 37 globally. I am the first in the UK, but number 37 globally, and I believe we're at like number 63 now or something like that. So that's a lot of people achieving a million with stamp sets that have got to go in. But I wanted to say thank you. So and yet you can still get it unless it's sold out, which would be lovely. That would be amazing. But you can still get it until the end of this month. This is the English Sentimental Swirls. Then we've got the French and the German. So I've got good, I call them clean copies. So these are unused. I bought one of each because I wanted to forever remember. So I've got one each of those. I've got my well battered one that I've used. And I also have my big neon sign as well that I had done in my big swirl. But also I wanted to show you some of my past projects. So I did hang on to a lot of them. Some I gave away, but I wanted to share them because I made them, and I wanted to show the versatility of the stamp set if you've not yet got it. So I've got a couple of little boxes there, and I've got some cards there. So these were filmed, I believe. Well, it must have been, because I've got two versions of the same. And then this one here, because it does match two punches. Actually, I think, no, we've lost one. The Strawberry Builder punch is gone now. If you've still got it, it matched this one here, or these two, and then the Flowers and Leaves matched that one, and some of these leaves as well. So you can see where I've done punching. So that's a few, and then we've got another few here. So that's obviously a filmed one as well, because I've got the same pattern but a different colour. Again, punch. There you go. You can see the flowers, the Strawberry Builder punch, that little one, and then this one. And the reason behind designing the stamp set the way I did is I wanted to have different ways that you could colour it. So this one here is punched but coloured with blends pens. This one is inked and then punched. This one is stamped and coloured with blends pens, and I don't know if you can see it, Wink of Stella. And then I presume I've got the matching, yes, I remember filming this one, heat emboss. So I've got gold on black and silver on Blackberry Bliss. A few more, and then this one is stamped with colours, and then I've blended the colours out with Wink of Stella to get the colours to bleed. And that's a different version of the same one. So Crumb Cake and Early Espresso, I think. I don't remember, it was quite a while ago. Oh look, there's the same but different one of that, with little gems on it. So very nice. I can't remember what the colours were. I'm going to say that's Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen. Pretty sure that is Mint Macaron and Shaded Spruce. Can't remember. But I made loads of projects. I think I worked out I made 35 different projects, but I don't remember now. And this one here, I'm definitely missing some, because some of the ones that I showed when I first showcased this to demonstrators, they're not here. So I think I must have given those ones away. And then I've got blending brushes on these two, and then all sorts of things. Yeah, I'm definitely missing loads. I must have given them away because I can't see them anywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that, you know, huge versatility from one stamp set. Loads of different ones, and like I say, the original ones that that I did boxes, I did loads. I did 12 just for my original showcase, let alone I did a week of projects as well. And I did an online class as well. I did all sorts, but yeah, these are the ones that I've still got hanging around. Like I say, I must have given all of the other ones away. But yeah, just thank you to everybody who shopped with me to get me to my million. Thank you to everybody who bought the stamp set and shared your projects with me. And just, you know, what an opportunity. That's a once in a lifetime, because you only get that opportunity with your 1 million. You don't get it for 2, 3 and whatever else afterwards. You only get it for the 1 million. So yeah, a huge once in a lifetime opportunity for me, and I love it. I love how well received the stamp set has been. I love how much you've all enjoyed it. And I also love how sad you all are that it's retiring. So many of you said, oh, it's retiring so quickly. It just is. It is how it is. It's just the luck of the draw, which catalogue you get to go in, and I got to go in a mini rather than an annual, but I got to do it. And yeah, what a rare opportunity, the 37th person to get to do it. Although I do believe the early days million achievers they didn't get a stamp set, they're only just getting them now. So, but anyway, I wanted to share these with you, and again, just a really huge thank you. And obviously, like I say, I've just hit 1.3 million, so for all of those who've shopped with me continually to get me to that milestone. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Go and buy it if you haven't. It's your last chance. Bye.